So in my goal to find local places that may have Pokemon cards, I made a little drive over to CVS. And let me show you what I found. Poke. So here's what I found. I found this Obsidian Flames, and I found this tin here. Now they had another pack there that just didn't look like much, so I avoided that one. But I thought I'd grab these two and see what we have. So first, let's open the tin. Oh, ho, ho, look at that. Let's get this open. Let's get this popped out of here. How do you come out? Or you come out the front? Oh, you come out the front. You're different than the other ones I've seen. Look at this. Dragonite. You put him back there for now. And we'll set the code card over there and yeet that over there. We have a Silver Tempest. We have a Lost Origin. Another Lost Origin. So 3 packs, not bad. Looks like that's all that's in here. So let's open these up and see if we got anything. We'll start with Silver Tempest. Yes. All right, so what do we got here? We got NDD. Voltoy. Twink. Sunkern. Pillow. Spinner. Metagross. He is gross. And that was our, look at that. That was our reverse hollow. And that is our hollow. Oh, I'm not even paying attention here. I got to get with it here. So we're going to set this here and this here. And man, I'm having all sorts of problems here. And then, of course, blah, blah, blah. I'm all excited here. Get all excited, I'm messing up. See, now that one just popped right open. All right. So what we got here? We got Medite, Squv, Gligar, Phantump, Sudowoodo. Is that a reverse hollow? Nope. Look at that. That's a full hollow there. Yeah, Spirit Tomb. Wow, that's kind of slick. We'll put him back there. Here's our... I think that's supposed to be our rare. Same over there. Our B card. Anything here? Nope. 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 And our third pack. Either I've gotten a lot stronger, or these packs are weak. Poliwag. Gligar. Gloomy. Mawile. Sligma. Or Slugma, sorry. Oh, the Love Disc. Put it down there. And I can't, he's not hollow. Spiritomb. And then we have that, and that, and that, and that. Okay, now we have Obsidian Flames. We have Tynamo. Surskit. A Darumaka. A Froakie. A Probopass. Okay. And then a Vengeful Punch. Of course, we need a Vengeful Punch. And then we have a Skarmoony. We have a reverse Espino. Oh, down there. And we have another reverse here. Togi de Mero. Put him down there. And we have our shiny, a Palafin. Ooh, fancy. Put him up there. So, you know, we kind of did all right, I guess, for 4 packs. You know, I don't know about that one. And, yeah, that's full art. So we did get 1 full art out of the whole thing. So, yeah. Did all right. I'm kind of finding the local selection isn't the best, but we're going to keep trying. So if you could, please comment, like, and follow.